Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Untitled Chapter viewers. In this video, I've got something a little bit different for you guys. I'm reviewing a pepper spray for self-defense purposes, and I think that this video can actually be really helpful for a lot of you guys that watch the videos. So let's get right into this. First off, I went ahead and got the Sabre Red Home and Away kit. So this is currently about $14.50 on Amazon, and it comes with a little wall clip for this thing and a little keychain for this. Honestly, I'm not really going to use those. This is the home kit. It's got pepper gel and it's got this little glow in the dark top, so you could set it on your nightstand, and if someone breaks in, you could flip this and spray it on them if you needed to. This is the Away kit. So this one is a little bit more compact, and it doesn't really expose any of the bottle, and it's also got the same mechanism. It's not the best mechanism for a pepper spray. The best one is the kind with the flip top, but I think these will do just fine. Now, I actually did go out and test both of these. First of all, everyone should do that when you get it, just to make sure you don't have a faulty unit. Just try like a 1-second spray. But also, I wanted to film it and actually show you guys what it's like. But real quick, before I roll that footage, this pepper spray also has a UV dye supposedly in it. So I actually brought in a UV light here, and you can see a little bit of the residue got in there and on the bottle a little bit. So you can definitely see that it does have that dye in it. And I think there is also a little bit on this one as well. I haven't seen any reviewers actually check for this, so I thought there was some on here. Right there, you can see a couple little droplets. If it focuses, there's even a little on my hand. So anyways, this stuff is the real deal. I will first roll the clip of the Away pepper spray right now. So as you can see, it does a pretty good job. This is my first time ever firing a pepper spray, so I wasn't really sure what to expect. And here is a quick spray of the home version of the Sabre Red pepper gel. I'll roll that clip right now. So as you can see, this one's got a little bit more power to it. I thought this was going to be more of a foam, but it's not. So I might have to actually buy a couple more just to test out for you guys. Now, one thing I do want to mention about these, after I sprayed those, I was wearing gloves, obviously. I used them and I took a little bit and I dabbed it on my arm just to see if I would feel anything. Now, I did not feel really anything at the time. It was just on my forearm, maybe a slight tingle or two, but it was not really anything. So after it dried, I decided to actually lick it a little bit to see if I would feel anything there. And oh my gosh, this stuff is strong. So I've made hot pepper sauce in the past, and this is pretty much just like that. It burned the hell out of my tongue, and I tried only a tiny, tiny, tiny drop that was dried. So do not mess with this stuff. It is the real deal. Just a couple words of advice. This is a bigger can. This one's 61.5 grams. I think this one's like maybe 15 or something. So this one's got much more in it, but they don't last forever. So if you're ever in a situation where you need to use them, obviously use as much as you need to take the person down. So just be aware of that if you ever do need to use these. Also, a word of advice, don't keep it in your car, because I have heard of people keeping this in their car. When it gets hot, they explode, and then their car is basically ruined. So don't do that. The best place to have one of these is on your person at all times. If you do want to carry defense. This one I'll just leave in my room, so if anyone ever breaks in, you're going to be met with this, and this is just kind of a first line of defense if you don't have any other weapons ready. And this one I'll probably just keep on my person, or so in case something does arise, I will have some defense. But these are great to have because, well, it's always a good idea to have some non-lethal force just to kind of protect you in that sense. So hopefully this video helped you guys. I do recommend this product. I haven't used it on anyone yet, but like I said, I did try it. It's super hot, and the spray that came out was definitely considerable. So I will have this product linked down below in the description. You guys can pick up this set if you like what you see. That's all I got for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.